So we just came back from Unitop and we got school supplies.
It's raining here.
And it's raining. And there they're selling stuff on the sidewalks here. We're in Cologne. This is where somebody will grab the camera out of my hand and start running, but I've got a wrist thing around my wrist, so if they grab it, they're going to take me with them, and I'm kind of heavy. Oh, you know, they don't sell American size socks like my size. I can't get socks here to say, well, if I went to the mall, I guess I could find them, but I'm not going to pay that much for socks. Hi. How are you guys? Hey, we're going to go over to McDonald's. I know it's raining. Okay. Why do we need an umbrella? Where's an umbrella at? Where's an umbrella?